All right, listen, I know what you're thinking. Standing in front of yet another hunk of junk, but let me tell you, this is a ship that made the Kessel run in less than 12 parsecs. I still think I could 60-foot it. So obviously we're not at home, we're not under the carport, we're not working on Clifford. Allie and I have taken ourselves a little trip on down to Disney. You know, we're here to have a little fun, celebrate Allie's birthday. She's turning, how old are you turning, 20, 21? 21 forever? Yes. Anyway, so guys, I had plans on releasing the full race coverage video from this weekend where I went to US-90 Mobile Dragway and ran in the Factory Street class. So I meant to bring my GoPro and my SD card and everything along with me so I could edit this video over here and turn it out for you guys. But instead, because I'm a goof and I left it at home. But I do have a couple of clips, so stay tuned, watch those. This is going to be first round from the Factory Street class the other night. You know Jared with the green Foxbody. We duked it out yet again first round. So check that out, check that video here. And I promise as soon as we get back in town, I'll have the full weekend's coverage updated for you. As always, keep digging. All right, here we go, getting ready for round number one. Bet you never could have guessed who we were going to race. We're going to race Jared in the Foxbody again. He and I always try to go neck to neck. We always try to duke this thing out first round, so we're going to see what we can knock out here. So it's going to be me and Jared first round. There actually ended up being only 4 cars in the class. Eric there in the white mock, I think he smoked a head gasket in his test pass, so that's no good. But we ended up with 4. So we got the GTO, the Mustang. We race with him pretty often. We've got Jared here, and then myself, round one.
What were you guys able to do to come back and win this thing?
All right, well, at first we started slow. We started real slow. And you know, that's all right. That's okay, because sometimes in life you're going to start slow. Yeah, they had us the first half. I'm not going to lie. We're going to start slow, but we're always going to finish fast. No matter what the score was, we're going to finish hard. We're going to finish fast. They had us. We weren't defeated, but they had us.
Holy cow, I think I got him. I don't know, the time slip's gonna be freaking close. Holy cow, that was crazy. Oh man. Oh, shoot. But whew, I think we collected ourselves a round one win. That's something spicy right there, boys. That's, it was a hard charge. I hope this forward-facing GoPro got it, man, because that was crazy.
I looked over and I see this dude. I'm like, no!
Dude, hey, that was fun, man.
Dude.
I hope this camera got it. I really hope it got it, because that was crazy.
Dude, I was going and all of a sudden I just heard, I look over, I just see you, I was like, uh-oh.
So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Allie and I are going to keep enjoying our time down here in Disney. But as always, keep digging. We'll see you next time.